Hello and welcome to Profiting from PLR. We're going to briefly talk about what this course is going to be about here. And what you are going to be doing in this course is you're going to be taking a look at all of the ways that you can use the private label rights content that you purchase to help to build your business. Now, we're going to be talking about different ways, 30 at least, that you can use the actual content. We're going to be showing you that. Now, some people think that you can only just take it and sell it. You can bundle it up and sell it to someone else if they're willing to buy it. But there's so much more to PLR than just bundling it as PLR and selling it. I mean, there are many ways to profit, some which lead directly to sales, and some that are a little more indirect. Some just lead to more traffic, and some just lead to just flat out more credibility and more authority. And really, as you start to exercise all of these methods in one way or another, you're going to see just how powerful PLR is, because if you are willing to put a little bit of work into PLR, it can really profit you for a very small amount based on what you paid for, right? So you're going to be able to create leverage with PLR that you would not have had otherwise had you taken the time to create all the content yourself. So this is going to give you leverage in your business, whether or not you sell products or services. This will help you to gain more authority, and the more authority that you have with customers, the more likely that they are to buy with you. Now, as we go through the course, now there are going to be some videos where we're going to actually literally do a demonstration for you, and others where we're going to show you the principle and help you as we discuss it going forward. So with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.